How to add columns on Figma. In this video, I'll show you how to add columns to your layout in Figma. Here's a quick and easy guide to get it done. First, make sure you have downloaded Figma on your device. After that, open Figma app. Now create a new file, or you can also open an existing one. After that, select the frame. For that, you can simply click on F on your keyboard and select the frame where you want to add columns. With the frame selected, head over to the right hand panel and find Layout Grid section. Then click the plus icon. Then click the grid icon and switch the type from grid to columns. Set the number of columns, cutter width and margins to fit your design needs. You can also adjust alignment to left, center or stretch. And that's it. This is how you add columns on Figma. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel, and comment down below if you have any other queries. Thank you.